How to open position in Binance Futures. So if you want to open a position on Binance Futures, then watch this video. Binance Futures is a leading cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform. It allows traders to use leverage and to open both buy and sell positions. First, you need to open up your Binance app on your device. After opening the app, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you need to go with the futures option, which will be on the bottom right corner. Now you have come to futures. Next, you need to choose which position you want to open or buy so that the price will jump or sell. So that the price will fall. Then choose the size of the leverage you want in order to activate a trade. You must enter the price at which your trade will be activated. Then determine the amount of money you want to invest in the trade. You can do it through the slider or manually. And finally, click on buy long, or in the case of selling, sell short, and then wait for the trade to be active. But make sure that you have verified your identity, because if you have not verified, then you won't be able to do anything on your Binance. Once you're verified, go with the process. And this way, you'll be able to open position in your Binance Futures. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.